So what's with this, you may be wondering? There's only one van behind me. Yeah, it's true. After more than a year of faithful service from the old minivan, it was time to pass it on, and I was able to find a buyer for that. That's going to continue to use it as a camper van, so it's staying in the Nomad family. The buyer, the person that ended up buying the van, came over from Phoenix to pick it up. So that we met her in Quartzsite, and you know, we were able to pass the van along. I had more than a dozen people who were interested in purchasing the van, so I appreciate everyone's interest. Obviously, I can only pass it on to one person, so and it ended up being Patricia. So she does have a new YouTube channel, and she's going to be, I think, documenting some of her adventures with the van. So I'll put a link to that in the description if you want to check that out and see how things shake out there with the van. But you know, I was glad to pass it along. It's been a great rig for me, and it served me well, and so I'm happy I was able to move it along to another, someone who's going to use it, you know, for a camper van. Meanwhile, yeah, we're squeezed into Fancy Free. That's a bit of an adventure, but we're going to be getting a trailer, you know, sooner than later, hopefully. That's the plan. That's why we're doing this, and you know, that's what it's a combination of you know, saving the money for the rig that we're comfortable with, and just the logistics where we're taking off for some traveling. So you know, not every state is cooperative about temporary permits for temporary registration, so I can get it back to Wyoming to register it. But that's going to be the plan. We'll be picking up a trailer, and so I'll be sure to you know, include some videos on that process. I think that's going to work a lot better, and I'll go over in those videos why I decided to switch from the minivan to the trailer. But for now, the minivan has been sold. So you know, again, thanks to everybody that was interested. I was a little bit, you know, mixed emotions here, because that van has served me really well, and I did spend a month or two, probably a couple months, procrastinating. Not sure if I was ready to sell it or not, but finally I decided it was the right thing to do, and you know, it worked out well. Everything worked out smoothly, so it's gone to a new home now, and we'll be traveling, you know, here in this. We're taking off for Texas pretty quick, so that'll be fun. I'll have some footage, I'm sure, for you from that trip as well. It's actually going to be a long trip, a slow trip down to Texas, and then working our way back north. So that's it for this video, everybody. Just a quick update on the status with the van. You know, thanks for watching this, and again, thanks to everyone who expressed an interest in purchasing the van. You know, just obviously I can only sell it to one person, so and congratulations to Patricia on the van. Hope it serves you really well for a long time. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.